Hi, my name's Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm just going to do a brief SEO audit overview video with you and just kind of show you a few things that we look at and some things you could start implementing to help grow your business by increasing your digital marketing and just kind of increasing your status via Google to grow and get more clicks. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So first thing, I do like your website's design. However, I'm not really going to touch on design because it really has minimal effect on success as far as getting customers. Of course, it matters as far as them like clicking and like looking at your site, but as far as getting to your site, it has no effect. So the first thing we look at is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on this homepage, and that's what Google has released as kind of what they look at as far as their algorithm, just kind of as a minimum. Of course, you could have more, and not having 1,500 isn't going to make or break you, but it just helps a lot with being found. So I use a tool called SEO Quick, which you can get for free. It's in the Google Chrome plugins, so in the apps area. And we can see you have 700 words, sorry. Now 700 is about half of what you need. You need 1,500. So just increasing your content is just an easy way to start, getting found a little more easy by Google. Now, the second thing it does is it's kind of got a twofold, it helps in two ways. The second way it helps, though, is going to be it allows you to find keywords or get found for more keywords. So a keyword is anything typed in this Google search bar. So for example, I just typed in roofer Fort Myers, Florida, and we can see all of these populate. So just clicking on one of your competitors here, I went with Fair and Square Roofing out of Fort Myers right here. This is their website. Again, the looks of it really don't matter, but what matters is that we can see that they are probably being found for more keywords. So another tool that I use is Ahrefs, and you can get this as well. It's $250 a month to use, and looking at that, we can see that they are being found for 154 keywords. Now I also did yours. As we can see, this is your URL, and you're being found for 4 keywords. So let's see what their keywords are, just so you kind of have an understanding of the ones they're being found for. So we can see they're being found for Fort Myers, roof repair Fort Myers, roof contract terms and conditions, roofers in Fort Myers. You can read. But what I want to draw your attention to is the volume. 90 searches a month, 100 a month, 70, 150, 90, 150, 100. There's 1,000 just right here. And if you're on the front page of Google, then you're probably going to be seen by 80% of people, because the click rate statistics that Google release shows that 80% of people won't scroll past the first page to find what they're looking for. So you want to make sure that you're being found for all these keywords by being on the front page. So the next question might be, how do I get to the first page? Well, that brings me to my last point, and that's going to be offsite SEO. Now, that's going to be right here. What draws you to the top of Google is having more quality websites that are doing backlinking to you. Now, what a backlink is the link from one website to another website. And when it does it transfers power and authority. So if site A is pointing to site B, then site B is getting link juice from site A. It's very important. So let's see what you're doing. This is your competitor, and here's yours. You have 0 backlinks, 0 referring domains. They have 706 backlinks with 74 referring domains. And why does it matter? Well, look at the traffic. They're getting about 63 visitors a month on their website with the SEO they're doing, which is very manageable SEO, whereas you're getting 13 a month with none. So you really want to increase this to make sure that you're being found for a lot more people, because more people find your websites, yep, you guessed it, equals more customers and more money. So in closing, we discussed 3 things. We talked about content, how you want to have 1,500 words on this homepage. Secondly, we discussed the importance of keywords and how the keywords, they kind of showed you the traffic that they have and how important it could be to have that traffic. And if you're on the top of Google, how you can be found for those keywords. Thirdly, I told you how to get on the top of Google. And that's going to be backlinking and offsite SEO. Now, if you want a more in-depth SEO audit and you want me to show what you need to do and what your competitors are doing, then you can email me back or give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing back from you.